We know that the resistance depends on four factors: nature of material, length of wire, area of cross section, and temperature. But on other hand, resistivity depends on not all these four factors but on nature of material, and to an extent it is affected by temperature as well. So that is the difference between resistance and resistivity. Resistance is impacted by the dimensions of the conductor. Please understand this. Resistance is affected by the dimensions of the conductor, whereas resistivity is not affected by it. Please remember this. It's an important point to remember. Okay. Let me explain this to you. See, we have two wires, one of copper and another of lead, having same area of cross section, both these wires, but you can see the copper wire is longer than the lead wire. So we are led to think that since copper wire is longer than the lead wire, thus copper wire should be having higher resistance than the lead wire. But is it the case really? Apparently it should be the case. But in reality, when we observe and when we measure this scenario, we'll find the copper wire is still showing lesser resistance than this lead wire. Why is it so? Can you think of? The reason being, copper and lead are two different materials, right? So nature of material is impacting here. Now let's understand it further. Now, to compare what resistance is offered by copper and lead, we know that resistivity is unaffected by the dimensions. So let's understand what resistivity is first of all. See, resistivity is defined as the resistance offered by this phase of unit area of any material to what? To a perpendicularly moving charge through it. So which of the two, copper or lead, offers more resistance? See, dimensions have been standardized, right? So we are seeing here, and we know that lead offers higher resistance in this case. So we reach this conclusion that lead has higher resistivity than copper, or the specific resistance of lead is higher than the specific resistance of copper. Now let's understand a basic difference again. I'll just try to point out the difference between resistance and resistivity. See, resistivity, it is the specificity of the substance, and we are not talking about dimensions. Exclusively we are talking about the nature of material, right? So we can simply say that resistance is a connotation of opposition to charge flow without any specific dimensions, without any specificity of the dimensions. Whereas in case of resistivity, we just saw it is the opposition with specific dimensions of material, of, we can say, different material.